If you're watching this video, it means you have made it to the end of this playlist. And honestly, it's such a big deal. You didn't just watch random tutorials, you followed a journey from basic workflows to real production style AI automations. Let's quickly rewind and summarize what you have learned by far in this playlist. We started with the foundations, understanding n8n, how workflows work, what triggers are, how data flows between nodes, and how JSON becomes the common language that connects every single API and different nodes. Then we moved into APIs, what they are, how they work, the difference between get and post requests, headers, authorizations, and how to use HTTP requests to connect to any service on the internet. After that, we went deeper into AI automation workflow, using AI agents, passing dynamic inputs, parsing outputs, and making models behave consistently with accurate prompts and system messages. We explored web vector databases like Pinecone, understanding embeddings, namespaces, chunking, and how this RAG pipeline works. We also worked with Postgres and Supabase that holds the long-term and structured memory, which helps in making workflows into systems that remember and scale. We build real-world workflows, RAG pipelines and chatbots, LinkedIn content automation, customer support automation, and invoice processing using Gmail, Google Sheet, and AI agents. We also explored web ingestion with Firecrawl and API, teaching agents how to extract, work, and use the information that's available on the internet. And finally, we touched on important concepts like multi-agent architectures, where different agents collaborate to solve complex problems. Well, this playlist was never about learning just one tool that is n8n, but rather it was about learning how to think in systems. You see, these AI agents are not something that's encompassed or enclosed in one singular thing. It works in systems. It combines different aspects of working with technology, whether it's websites, whether it's coding, whether it's LLMs, all put together, you get AI workflows. This is what the playlist was all about, to make systems and understand them intuitively. At this point, you're no longer just using tools, but building real life solutions. So now the question is, what next? Here are a few directions that you can take from here. Firstly, build your own projects to build your profile. Start small, then you can scale on them. You can create internal tools for business that are really helpful and something that business will pay you to buy from you and make you implement them in their business. You can automate content, support, and analytics. Also, you can go on to explore advanced topics like error handling, self-hosting, and monitoring. Also, of course, try to take this knowledge and apply it in real businesses by applying to internships in AI agents and workflows. Everything you need to know is already in this playlist that you can exploit for your own benefit. One last thing, don't aim for perfection, aim for iteration. So, thank you for sticking with this playlist throughout the entire series. If this playlist even helped you a little, build something with it. Go on and explore yourself. Remember, tools will change, models will evolve, but the only thing that's going to stay constant is your ability to think in systems and consistently apply solutions to real life problems. That is what's going to stay. So, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.